Hey guys, okay, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode of Car DIY. Right, so for today's episode, okay, as you all have seen, okay, some of my product reviews, okay, we actually bought a steam cleaner, okay, and the thing is, okay, the car AC has started to smell again. Right, as for those of you who have seen my previous videos on how we fix it, okay, links are in the description, okay, links are up here, there. Right, so we actually try to fix it, okay, when we change the air filter, when we change the cabin filter, okay, when we clean the vents, okay, and when we did the fishnet hack, okay, but after a while, okay, the smell starts to come back again, okay, and I actually did some research, okay, that you can actually steam clean it. Right, so for today's episode, okay, we'll be trying this out. Okay, links to the item will be in the description down below. Right, so before we start, okay, for those of you who are new here, please remember to like and subscribe, okay, because we have a lot of videos like this coming up. Right, so without further ado, we're going to start the steam cleaning. Right, so let's go. Right, so guys, okay, that's the end of the DIY. Okay, I actually steam clean, okay, all the vents, okay, from the center one, okay, to the sides, okay, to the ones on the top, right, and it actually worked very well, okay, and okay, when I turn it up, right, I can't smell anything except, I mean, normal AC, there's no mold, there's no funny smell and all this. And let's see how long this will stay, because, you know, these things, they come back. Right, so guys, okay, I hope you guys have enjoyed this one. Okay, if you like this, please remember to smash the like button. Remember to subscribe, okay, and comment in the comments down below. What do you want to see next? Right, so guys, okay, that's the end of the DIY. Okay, like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. Alright, so stay safe, stay healthy, happy morning cleaning, doing whatever to your car. Alright, see ya. Bye.